Hey guys! These may seem a little bit peculiar and alien-like, but they are actually iJDM Toys' new Switchback LED strips. In this box, you get 2 LED strips and 2 module boxes for installation. These new LED strips have the jewel-eye look that can be seen on the new Acura MDX. But what's so special about these LED strips is that there is a sequential turn signal feature that's way different from all the other switchback LED strips on the market. You can also attach and detach parts of the strip to extend the length as well, so it can follow the curve of your headlights. You may also notice the metal wires coming out of the LED strip, and those are actually there, so once you open the headlights, you can tie the LED strip along the curve of your headlights without having to use any double-sided tape or glue. These LED strips measure at 20 inches when attached and 27 inches when detached, so it can have a full coverage for headlamp curves. Just pull apart each piece to extend the length. These strips are made with an acrylic cover for durability, so you don't have to worry about damaging the pieces during installation. All you need to do to power up these switchback LED strips is connect the adapter to the module box. Tap the black wire to ground. And the red wire to the ACC 12 volt in the fuse box. And the yellow wire to the stock turn signal light positive. And here is the daytime running light and the turn signal functions on the LED strip with all the pieces attached. And in case you are wondering how the attached versus detached LED strip looks like in comparison, these sequential switchback LED strips are a great upgrade for anyone who wants the switchback feature but doesn't want to go through the traditional LED strip that only blinks amber and white. The new version LED strips are definitely unique and different from all the other switchback LED strips out there on the market. Check out these demo pics of the sequential switchback LED strips. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like us on Facebook for news and updates and visit us at iJDMTOY.com. Thank you.